Alright, what's up YouTube? It's Coach Oliver, aka Ambition Oliver, coming at you with another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change or replace what is it? What are we replacing? Um an air filter. Alright. We're gonna be able to learn how to change or replace an air filter. Alright, and the vehicle that we are replacing this in is a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Alright, so without further ado, let's get to it. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm gonna try to stay clean. Alright, so let's grab this bad boy. It's a new air filter. Alright, I'm gonna pop that. I just detailed my engine, so I gotta have the cloth. So I'm gonna pop this bad boy up. See, look at it, it looks so shiny. Alright, so I might have to clean this up. Alright, but all you have to do is just take this. You can use a flathead or it look like an 8mm. You just take this off right here. Then we're gonna take this off, and there's two clamps right here. We're gonna take those two off, and then the air filter be right underneath there. All right, so I'm gonna show you firsthand. Do it on your own pace, don't matter, you got this. All right, so like I said, let me wipe this down a little bit. All right, so I'm going to take an 8. Loosen that bad boy up. Alright, I'm gonna shimmy. Come on, gotta shimmy. I'm gonna shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Just like that. Take this one off. Okay. Remember I told you 2 clips over here. Boom, boom. And then I am going to lift up. Alright. And that is how you change your air filter. All you do is shimmy it back on, hit the 2 clamps right here, and pretty much you're good. Bam.